I built the truck and this motorcycle and this car for this robbery. Yeah. First we're going to see what's in the instructions. On it had on the instructions it has a 2-page comic. And there's several opening doors. And a couple opening doors on the red car. So when I can open, and you can break apart you can separate the truck. And this truck with about like 4 instructions, but 3 is plus 2. And so in here we have this and this. On the back of this, we have a little present where we can put the robbery inside. And in here, you see we have a couple of tools. We have, I think this is a lighter, and we have a magnifying glass, and we have a cup, and we got TV, and there's a coffee machine, and there's a computer. They're locating the bad guys, and here's a wanted sign over here if you see. And here's I think this is some type of map. And